Hey guys, welcome back to e-commerce know-how. Today we're looking at how to make $30,000 a month. Without taking more time, let's get right into the video. It must be really nice to have other sources of income and not have to wait for their typical payday. You know, living from check to check. If you're alive, this video is for you. With the pandemic that has affected our lives greatly, many people have had to come up with ways to bridge the financial gap. Most of us are still trying to figure out what exactly we want to do. The best thing about passive income is that you won't need to wait for your paycheck. Even better, if what you make on your unusual job is already enough, you get to do so many other things with your passive income, like save up for retirement. There are many ways you can make passive income, but here are the 5 main ones I use. Investment in stocks. If you're risk averse, this is not the best for you. However, when there's no risk, there's no reward. Stocks that yield dividends are some of the best ways to use passive income. How do you go about investing in stocks? Do proper research first. You get to choose the best and most promising in the market. When you own stock, companies will pay out dividends mostly quarterly. These dividends are paid against each stock, so the more stocks you have, the higher the dividends you will receive. Owning these kinds of stocks is one of the best ways of making money because these payouts are not dependent on anything else apart from the initial investment you made. The risky part is choosing the right one. Evaluating the best company to invest can take a long time, so the best way to go about this is investing in ETFs. The most beneficial thing about them is that they diversify your investments in that when one company is not able to pay out dividends, the EFT's price change is almost irrelevant.
But don't worry, not
Affiliate marketing. Not so many people have tapped into this area, but it could really make you a lot of money. What really is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing deals with online sales. In this case, companies allow individuals to earn money by directing traffic to their products or referring whatever they're selling to others. The best part about affiliate marketing is that you don't need a website. The biggest participants of affiliate marketing are huge companies like Amazon, eBay, Alwyn, and ShareASale. Instagram and TikTok have become more about marketing of products, which makes it easy for most of us to get started on this type of marketing. How you benefit is when a visitor clicks on the link and makes a purchase. Once this happens, you can earn about 3 to 7% in commission. If you're not able to attract readers that can click and make purchases, you won't be able to make anything.
Simple process with little to no startup costs.
Automobile advertisements. Imagine getting paid just to drive around in your own vehicle. This is very possible and is both fun and effortless. Have a car? You're already on your way. All you need to do is simply contact an advertising agency. Once you do, there are several factors that the agency will put into consideration. These factors include how often to drive around, where you drive to, and how many miles you cover. Once you meet the requirements, the agency will brand your vehicle and you'll be on your way. To qualify, your vehicle should be in good condition and you must have a clean driving record. The best part is that in some agencies, the more miles, the more you earn. As easy as this sounds, ensure that you partner with the right people since there are so many fraudsters that could easily con you hundreds of thousands. Blogs and YouTube channels. With these ones, you need to have some patience because the money won't just flow overnight. However, with time, you can make up to millions just by uploading content on your blog. The best thing about it is that getting started is absolutely free. All you need is a computer with a smartphone and internet connectivity. You need to be careful on what your line of content will be to avoid inconsistencies along the way. Slowly growing your followers and subscribers, and before you know it, you'll start cashing in on your channels.
I love storytelling. We all have experiences and moments we want to share to inspire.
Informative products. If you're all about informing people about different types of things, this is for you. Depending on what you're into, once you create an ebook, audio, and video course, all you need is to sit back and wait for the cash to roll in. There are several sites that you can use as the platform to sell these products. The best thing about this method is that you only invest your time at the beginning. Conclusion. Which one of these methods are you already engaged in? Let us know in the comments down below. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. Also watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.